Okay, guys, so here I have my Philadelphia original cream cheese. I have a half a package here at room temperature. If it's not at room temperature, just put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. It will be. If you have a hand mixer, go ahead and use it on low. If not, mixing it with a whisk will be just fine, guys. No problem here. All right. And here I have some honey that I'm going to go ahead and pour about a tablespoon, guys, of it and put it in the microwave, heat it up for 10 seconds. So my honey will be almost like a liquid. So when I add it to my cream cheese, it's going to mix very, very well. Okay, I find a tablespoon to a half a pack will be good. If you're doing a whole pack, I will do about 2 tablespoons. If you like more than that, that's on you. Okay, there's no right and wrong here, but I find that is sufficient for me. So as you can see, I went ahead and whisked it with the honey, and it whisked very well. All right, guys. So here I have what they call a pastry bag. If you don't have a pastry bag, it's fine, guys. Just go ahead and use a Ziploc bag. And if you don't have that, it's fine too. Just use a spoon. All right, there's no right and wrong here. Here I'm pouring my cheese in here, and while we're doing this, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, that like button, and that bell icon that's going to let you know every time I upload a new video, okay? So here I have a box of puff pastry. You could buy that at any supermarket in the freezer section. And it usually brings 2 of these sheets. All right. So here, as you can see, when I unfold the sheet, it has little crack. That is very easy to fix, guys. Just wet your finger just a little bit. Rub it across very lightly. You don't have to press down on it. Just rub it over it very lightly. Give it some love. And I promise it's going to give it right back to you. All right. So as you can see, I'm rubbing it very lightly, but I promise you those cracks are going to disappear. All right. So now it's ready to be rolled out. And guys, when you are rolling out your puff pastry, do not press hard on it. Okay. Just roll it out just enough so it could stretch just a little bit. That's all it needs. And I like using a parchment paper under it when I'm working with any dough, really. All right. And it makes it more easy. If you need to move your dough around, just grab the paper and just roll it around. So here I'm using my fingers and cutting long strips, like 3-finger counts. You could do 4 fingers. It's up to you. But I make sure I just cut some that were smaller than others so I could show you guys that this dough is very forgiving. All you have to do, if you feel it's too thin, just stretch it out with your finger just a little bit, like I'm doing here. Look at this. You see that? It was thinner than the other ones. You don't have to be scared, and you could have the kids help you. And here I am creating an egg wash. As you can see, I have 1 egg, and I added just a tiny little bit of water. And I mix it, and voila, I have an egg wash. So now I am putting it on one side of a strip, as you can see. And now, not in the middle, but not at the edge either, I am putting my cream cheese mixture, squeezing it out. And now I'm going to start rolling it toward the part that has the egg wash. The egg wash is going to work like glue. I'm going to show you another angle, as you can see. You see that? That's exactly what you want to do. And just go ahead and have fun, guys. You know, you could make different shapes, different stuff with this stuff. And here I'm cutting some slit and over it in the top, all across. So like that, I don't get no air pockets or nothing like that. And my dough could just rise up how it wants to rise up. And, you know, the heat could do its magic. Meanwhile, I have my oven heating up at 400 degrees. And here again, you make the choice how long you want your quesito to be or how short you want your quesito to be. There's no right and wrong here, all right? So here I'm grabbing my egg wash again, guys, and I'm giving it some love and making sure I'm covering it. You don't over put egg wash on it, just enough. So I bake my quesito for 20 minutes at 400, and as soon as they came out of the oven, I melted some more honey in the microwave for 10 seconds, and right away I brushed the honey over them, and that honey gonna give it that nice shine and that sweetness, and the egg wash is gonna give it that nice golden color, as you can see, and the crisp. Look at that. Ooh, those quesitos came out good, guys. The bite, ooh, they were good. With a cup of coffee or tea. Oh, man, you are going to enjoy this. So here are your quesito, guys. I hope you give this recipe a try. Have fun with your family. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for me. And I will see you in the next recipe. Have a wonderful, blessed day.